Well, we're sitting out at a fire, and with my wife right there, you can't see her, but we are cooking some summer sausage. All right, check that out. Nice fire going on, and cooking some summer sausage. Learned this trick from my friend. Just put it on some hot dog sticks and cook it over the fire. It actually makes that summer sausage a lot better. Look at how perfect that is. Pretty darn good idea. Look at that. It's starting to crisp up, and you can see the grease just running out of it. So it's actually healthier. You're dripping out some of that cholesterol. Don't put it in the direct fire though. Keep it in the heat and the smoke. That smells so good. Doesn't that smell good? Can you smell it? The meat?